Let's do some nails with Polygel and paper forms. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to create some nails, or at least on my thumb, with these paper forms I have here. I have one in my hand right now, and I've already done my other fingers. I haven't shaped them or anything. I just used the paper form, took them off, and moved on. Did these fingers one at a time, so this is the way I am putting the form on. Now, it may not be perfect. I'm a beginner, and if you saw from the title, this is my very first time. So let me know, have you ever sculpted your own nails? Anyway, so I learned from watching. So on other videos, they bend the form and then take the bottom portion and stick that together and then stick it on the finger. What I did is I lined that middle line up with the middle of my finger, pressed on both sides of my finger to make sure the form is stuck, and then of course looked at it from all angles as well to make sure it's straight. So I don't know if that's perfect, but that's the best I can do, and I think it ended up turning out pretty good. So anyway, also, if you are new to my channel or not new to my channel, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Give this video a thumbs up for me even attempting this and filming it for you so you can see me do this, and leave me a comment. Okay, so I got it on there. I think it's pretty straight. Like I said, I learned by watching. I have taught myself everything I've been doing with my nails. So here goes some Polygel. I have been working with a lot of Manicure Polygel lately, or as they call it, nail extension gel. Now this particular color is a new one I got. I just wanted to try it out. It's called Icing. To me, it's like you know, 80s frosty lip gloss or lipstick. Yeah, that 80s frost. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know down below. Some of y'all might be too young, but some of y'all may know what I'm talking about. So anyway, I have 71% alcohol in my dabbing dish. I have my Polygel brush. I put a little bit on that, and here we go to shaping. So what I'm trying to do here is just get this on here. I'm still working on getting my apex right, but what I really want to get is just get this on here, make sure that I have everything tucked in around my cuticle, get the length that I want, and then go ahead and cure this for about, what I normally do is 60 to 90 seconds per layer. Okay, so once I get this in the shape that I want it to be in, I'll go ahead and cure it. And as I said earlier, I have been doing one finger at a time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch once I get this Polygel into place here. And then you'll notice once I take this out from underneath the lamp, I like to tap on my finger just to make sure it sounds like it's hard and solid, and then move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch while I complete this hand here, and I'll talk to you towards the end. Think I need some solid ground. Mary go. Let's go. Let's hide. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Miracle,
the blame. Fix my mistakes, but what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry-go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry-go.
Let's go. Let's not. Let's go. That's hot.
Let's go. Let's not.
Let's go.
Ooh.
That's hot.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you.
Okay, so now for filing and shaping, I am not going to show my full process of filing and shaping. I will go ahead and tell you just in case anyone has any questions. Since I'm working on my left hand, my left pointer finger is a crooked finger. So let me tell you, working with paper forms and a crooked finger was not the easiest thing to do. So I think, I have it set up pretty okay. It's like my finger goes one way and I have to slightly make the actual shape of the nail slightly going the opposite way so it all evens out with my knuckle. I don't know if that even made sense, but you will see. So anyway, I do use the I do hand file, and of course my lovely trusty e-file. That's my favorite here. What I'll also go ahead and do here, everything I'm using is from Amazon. Everything I'm using today I have purchased with my own money. So what I'll go ahead and do here is list those items in the description box in case you're interested in checking them out, purchasing them on your own. Just so you know, because I am an Amazon associate, I may earn a small commission from any qualified purchases, and that directly, of course, supports this channel and allows me to purchase more products to put into my channel as well as equipment. So anyway, just wanted to mention that. We are almost at the end of the video. I'll go ahead and just do a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once I am done and I have wiped off all the dust and everything. As far as nail art, that will be in my next video, okay? So here we go. I am all done. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me doing this on camera. Leave me a comment if you would like. Make sure you come back to see my design that I do, and that will be in the next video. But other than that, I think I did pretty good for being a newbie using paper forms. Let me tell you, it's not easy. I took my sweet time, but I think I did all right. Let me know what you think, okay? Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.